Hey, this is Lee and welcome to Hyperspeed 3D Printing. Hi everyone and welcome to my bathroom sink. After going out to the shops and coming back, I'll turn off the taps after washing your hands, and I noticed one thing was loose. And with this being plastic, I can go into Tinkercad, measure the shape, size, and almost get this printing just like it is. I think I can hear my printer working away on its own for some reason. So I wonder who's in the front room doing 3D printing. If I'm in the bathroom, who's in the front room? Let's go find out, see if anybody's there. See you in the next part of the video. Hi, this is Lee from the future. Past Lee's in the bathroom talking to you about the sink being damaged, but I'm in the front room making new parts on Tinkercad. We're designing circles and measuring the part which he's already got in his hand. I've got to talk quietly because he might hear me. So the printer will be set up, printing away, and he'll also hear it from the bathroom. So let's just be quiet about it. Hope you're enjoying this 3D printing video from me from the future, and Lee's in the past. Let's not hope he doesn't find out. Let's get back on with the show. Well, it seems there was nobody in the front room after all, so who started my 3D printer? Huh? Hope everybody's staying safe out there. It looks like somebody went onto Tinkercad, designed it all in Tinkercad. They must have heard me from the bathroom. Designed it all, put it through a Repetier house, sliced it for me, and started my printer. And changed the filament also as well because it was on yellow and now we're on grey. We'll find out later in the video who it was. Stay tuned. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that 3D printing video. If you liked it that much, please can you hit like, and also can you hit, if you haven't subscribed already, can you hit the subscribe button down below. And to see any future updates of videos, don't forget to ring that bell. Thanks for watching, and please share all over the place on your social media sites.